Have you subscribed to this channel? Welcome to Linda Chukwueze channel, the home of news, talk show, and vlogs. I greet you according to your location. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Please subscribe to this channel by clicking on that red button that says subscribe. Beside that red button is a notification bell. The essence of that bell is for you to get information from me each time or day I upload a new video, so that you will be among the first people to check it out. My returning subscribers, I appreciate you all, those who keep on sharing my video. Oh, may God Almighty bless you. So today, Senator Dino Melaye releases a new song to mock suspended EFCC chairman Ibrahim Magu. So let's get into the gist proper. Before then, you will watch a brief video about this.
Báyé bá ń yẹ ọ́ ò rọra, bọ́nà rẹ̀ bá dára ò rọra, ẹ̀san ogógun o, ẹ̀san àké o. I talk me I talk about Magu. Buhari no gree listen. Now Buhari don't see for himself, oh, say many Magu, then plenty for him government. M-A-G-U, Magu!
Dino no gree at all. This man is a brave man. In fact, he has been a ton of flesh in the Nigerian politician. Anyway, before I continue, I want to make a brief introduction about him. Maybe many people watching this video may not know him. That is why I'm going to introduce him a bit. Then, Dino Melaye is a Nigerian politician, a senator, and was a member of the 8th Nigerian National Assembly representing Kogi West Senatorial District. Dino is a member of the People's Democratic Party. Yeah, I think formerly he was in APC, right? So he changed to PDP. Now you had the song he released to mock the suspended EFCC chairman, that is Ibrahim Magu. The man, if you don't know, if you want to be following Dino, if you want to know him very well, if you want to be listening to his songs, his updates, then you should visit him on Instagram. Yeah, he is an Instagram influencer in a positive way. He talks about Nigerian in his Instagram. Any opinion he found out, he goes there to discuss it. So if you want to be following him or be getting more updates from him and his speech, you can visit him in his Instagram page with the same name so that you'll be updated. So in this video, he releases a song. Earlier today, Magu was suspended by the presidency to allow him face the probe into the allegation of corruption leveled against him by the Minister of Justice and Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami. On Tuesday evening, July 7, Dino released a new song on his Instagram page to mock Magu. So, one thing I notice about politics is that if you must be a politician, you must be a brave person, you know. You must be strong. I think about 2 weeks ago, I also made that video where Dino also released a video, as in a song, mocking Oshomole. And today is Magu's turn. Magu, sorry. So politics requires braveness, as I can see, because for you to be a politician, you need to be strong, and that is what this guy Dino is doing. And from what I realized or what I understood about his action, he's not doing all these things because of fun or maybe trying to step on anybody's feet. I think what he is doing is just trying to let the government correct their mistake or to redirect them to the right path. I'm not judging anybody here. If you can agree with me, or if you understand what I'm saying, you will understand that there is some certain things in Nigerian economy or system that Dino did not like. That was why he left APC. He was formerly a member of APC. Then before he joined the People's Democratic Party, that is PDP. So, and that's the same problem that he has with Oshomole. You know, Oshomole was the former chairman of APC before he was suspended also, just like Magu. So Dino has been trying as much as he could to make sure that they do things right. And you know, like I always say, people do not like those that are telling them the truth. In fact, when you speak the truth, you become enemy to many people. People prefer to hear lies than truth. If you make a video that you are saying the truth, nobody will watch it. But if you put that video caption of false information, you will see people watching it. And that is one thing I think Dino is doing in the Nigerian politics. He is trying to tell the government, this is what you should do so that our country will move forward. And he's trying to do this in his little way that he could. But you know now, when you are saying something that will help others, those people that are benefiting from those things, they will support or they will join hand in criticizing you, because they know that once they leave that thing, or once that thing is being stopped, that is going to affect them. But it's not like that. We don't need to be selfish. In fact, a good leader is supposed to put his people under his feet, under his concentration. Before you do something, you think of it this way: this thing I want to do, will my citizen benefit from it? How would they feel? Will it suit them? Will this bring my country up? Will this boost our economy? That is the number one, a good example of a leader. A leader is not supposed to be selfish. If you are a selfish human being, you are not a good leader. I think this is what Dino is trying to say. Before I started following him, I watched his video when the issue of this 5G network came up. He was talking against it. He brought it up. He was saying it that this 5G network is not good for humans' health. It shouldn't be planted or accepted in Nigeria, of which many people also disagree with him. Whenever he sees something going wrong in the Nigerian politics or economy, he comes out to social media, that is Instagram, to speak about it. And many people have been criticizing him. So he now choose another direction of releasing album or songs to them in order, you know, there is many ways in which you can send message to people, either by writing or by speech or by singing. So it's not a must that when you want to address something or you want to tell somebody something, you must speak it out. You can put it in writing, you can speak it, you can write it, and even your body movement can also pass message across to people. And that is why he chose this medium or this opportunity. And I believe, or I think, that people that he is passing this message across should at least listen. When somebody keep on calling your name each time, every moment the person will be calling your name, you should ask yourself, why is this person always calling my name? What have I done to this person? Why do this person keep on reciting my name like him? Then you think about it. You think about it, you ask yourself question, where have I gone wrong? Or what have I done? What should I do? Then you can call the attention of this person. Why are you always calling my name? What do you want from me? What do you want me to do? Then the person will tell you. You will know what you do. In fact, a good leader always listen to the voice or to the messages of his citizen or the people you are leading. Because if you are not paying attention to them, they said public opinion matters. Yes, because it's what people that around you, people you are leading, are saying will be the thing that you will use to conclude what is happening in your society or how people see your administration. If you are not counting on public opinion, then you are selfish. So Dino, like I said earlier, he's also a senator, and this is the way he chose to send his own message across to the government that they should do things right. Anyone he tells them and they fail to do it, if his letter come back to them, he will come and sing a song trying to pass message across to them. Anyway, like I said before, if you want to watch him fully, you can follow him on Instagram and keep on watching Linda Chukwueze channel for more updates on news, talk show, and vlog. Until we meet again, subscribe. Bye bye. I love you all.